Good morning, babies. How are you? Hope you are good. Today we will do work in EVS and learn farm animals. Do you know what are farm animals? Animals that live on farm and give their product to us are called farm animals. Animals that live on farm and give their product to us are called farm animals. Means जो animals farm में रहते हैं और हमें कुछ देते हैं उन्हें farm animals कहते हैं. First, take out your EVS notebook and write date CW. Parents, please help your child to do the work. Now, babies, write with me. Farm animals. F A R M. Farm. F A R M. Farm. Now write A N I M A L S. Animals. Once again, A N I N E M A L S. Animals. Farm animals. Now put number 1 and draw with me a cow. First, draw an oval. Draw a big circle. Four legs. One long tail. Two horns. Two ears. Two eyes. And mouth. And make other hat here. Draw black dots on a cow. Draw black dots on a cow. And now write with me C O W. Cow. Once again, learn with me C O W. Cow. Very good. Now write and learn cow. C O W. Cow. Now babies, speak and write and complete the page. COW. Cow. Now put number 2 and draw with me a bee. Like this. Draw an oval. Two big eyes. Now do like this. Now draw its wing. Now draw like this and put some dots inside it. What is this? This is a bee. Now learn with me B double E B. Once again B double E B. Good. Now write with me B double E B. Speak and write and complete the page B double E B. After finishing your work, send to me. Bye bye.